We record everything live, which is why I was really interested in this seminar. Because getting the drum sounds down, minimal amount of mics. I don't have a whole lot of channels.
Sure.
And getting it live in the room to where it sounds good. I can always learn more about that kind of stuff.
Absolutely.
So when you're asking about, we did slide the kit sort of up and down the center line, and that's mostly to find a couple of sweet spots for that ultra low frequency coming out of the kick. Because the kick has a fundamental around 60, but it's got a lot of stuff that's 30 and below. If you listen to it, it goes as the heads relax. So whether you want that in the recording or not, can really, if you want it, the kick really needs to be in the right spot in the room. Gotcha. If you try to treat each one of these things as a different instrument, you are setting yourself up for years worth of headaches. Because you can make this sound awesome, then you turn on that mic and it sounds like crap. And you can make these two things sound awesome, turn on that mic and it sounds like crap. Drum, you have a batter head and you have a resonating head. So you have two heads essentially doing this, because they don't move perfectly in sync. And you have a shell that resonates. And so the overall sound of the drum doesn't come from just the top head, doesn't come from the bottom head, doesn't come just from the shell, and doesn't come just from the drum. If I change the height of my floor tom, the resonant frequency changes because of the floor, because of this column of air that I'm creating. If I lower it, you'll hear how it changes, because how it reacts with the reflection from the floor changes everything. I mean, this was, for me anyway, was one of those major aha, I'm going to jump up and down, run around the building 5 times kind of moments for me when I figured it out. It was like, duh. Right here, you have plus 180, minus 180. Yeah. So as that goes past the microphone, you literally have a phase inversion. So pull it out, and that it's less obvious. Tilt it a bit so it's primarily one side, it's less obvious. Above it, it's less obvious. But then the simplify the drums. But anyway. Position 2. So not a huge difference, but it's a little bit more balanced, I think. I think that
it needed the least amount of change, I thought, too, though.
Yeah, it did. It's crisper. Oh yeah. That's how laser accurate. That's how laser accurate this building is. The center line is the center line is the center line. You can stand here and line up the colored diamonds with the center of the room with where is it? That dot right there. And that, which is a sweet spot.
And they say you can't mix with your eyes.
You can't. Dude, this is different than any other place in the world. I've been to some really great places. I've gotten into there anywhere.
I spent a little time at CRC in Chicago.
Uh-huh.
And this is killing me. CRC is cool. They could record millions of records.
I really do like the sound of Abbey Road Studio 2 because it's the sound of most of the records of my youth. that room, and it is that room. I mean, it's like you walk in there and you go, "Oh my God, that's Dark Side of the Moon. Oh my God, that's River Soul. Oh my God." You know, it's just like it's it.
Wow.
It defined a generation of music. But this control room is way better.
No, really?
It is.
That one mic over the kick drum was enough to pay for the whole class. Because I could add that to my overheads, and oh my God, just the possibilities of
That's
it.
awesome.
Cool. I'm gonna grab another cup of coffee.
Yeah, go ahead.